see. Oops. What the hell? Oh, I guess it's taken out. Okay, in the Kazakhstan we have lots of snow, and we have a champion here. He's going to go very fast down the hill. So you want to say hello to our friends in the Kazakhstan?
I like you. Do you like me?
Okay, now he's going to go. Now watch him. He's going to go real fast. In the Kazakhstan, lots of snow.
Lots of snow.
There you go. It's going real fast. I can't see it no more. Oh my, he's gonna... Oh, he almost made it. Almost going too fast. Too fast for me. He's going too fast. Okay, and that's all for today in the Kazakhstan. I say goodbye. 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 Goodbye.